And once you're logged in, choose Devices, New Device, go to Cell Device. It wants you to enter a cell device name, so I'm just going to say CBW Controller 400, because that's the model number. Once you enter in the serial number, which is located on the back of the device, just right here, it wants you to enter in the last 6 digits. So I'm going to do that. And it wants you to enter in a cell ID. It's a pretty long number, so I'm just going to go ahead and enter that in. I'm going to go ahead and hit submit. We're going to enter in the data plan code. Now, the data plan code is located on your invoice when you purchase a data plan. It's worth noting that all cellular plans come with a cloud seat. So I'm going to go ahead and enter in my code. I'm going to hit apply data plan code. Okay, so after we enter in the cell ID, we can go ahead and hit activate SIM. I'm going to hit OK. It says this process can take up to 15 minutes. Go down, hit submit. Now you're going to see the status showing as paused here. That's because we haven't powered up the X400C yet. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And it's important to note that this is just the easiest way to do it. To set up your cloud account, enter in your cellular device ahead of time, because when you power this up, it's automatically going to attempt to connect to the cloud. And so if you already have this entered in, it should be smooth sailing. So let's go ahead and power these on, and we're going to remove this removable terminal connector. And we can see here at the top, it says VN plus and ground. Those are where we're going to wire our power supply into. And I am going to wire these in. The voltage goes on top, ground goes on bottom. I'm going to give those both just a small tug just to make sure that they're secure. I'm going to plug it back in. Before I plug this in, I also want to connect the antenna. And these cellular antennas are usually mounted on the exterior of a waterproof enclosure. So we're just going to connect this. And nice thing about these, DIN-rail mountable. You just put them on, snap it down. So now we're going to mount this cellular antenna just in this here, not what it was made for, but it'll do the trick. Then you are ready to plug in your device. So I'm just going to plug it into a power strip off camera, and we can see the power light turning on. You can see the cell light turns on and starts flashing, and it can take some time. It says up to 15 minutes, and we can see here on our screen that it's showing as connected.